Hi, I'm Morgan Clark with your Monday weather update. Let's take a look outside. Currently, it's overcast, 44 degrees. Now, there's a slight chance of rain, hence why I have this little raining picture here. But for the most part, most of it is in the southern Franklin County, so really missing the university area. Here is a closer look at how the rain's really affecting us. It's all south of us. Now, there's a chance it could hit us, as you can see, but it seems to be dying down a little bit once it reaches to Columbus. Now, as we take a look at our radar, see this line of rain coming in. Now we've got a chance of there's going to be a warm front going through Ohio, and then after that is a cold front, so it's going to be a pretty rainy week. But today there's still that chance of rain. Average temperatures, a high of 47, a low of about 40 something. We'll see later. And then take a look at the week ahead. Like I said, those showers are going to get hit with the warm front and then a cold front, which are both going to bring showers. Now, the warm front could bring in some stormy Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, and then a slight warm up, but another cool down. Again, that cold front bringing that cool down. Now tonight, low of 40. There's that low there. So not really an average low, but pretty good and breezy. Now, a 30% chance of rain, so there still is that slight chance of rain, but that chance of rain picks up as we move into tomorrow. I have this kind of off-put storm here because there's a chance of storms in between noon and 5, but I wanted to be able to show that even though I usually do noon to 5. Now, it's 70% chance of rain around noon, and then at 5 p.m. there's about a 30% chance, but there's a chance for storms much higher around 1 o'clock and 3 p.m., but I couldn't really show that here. Now, as you can see, the high is 63. Pretty nice warmth, but still going to be pretty rainy. Now, your weekend forecast. Thursday, we've got a chance of snow coming up about Thursday night. Now, it's mostly rain throughout the day, but it turns into snow. Partly cloudy Friday night. And then as we move on into Saturday, mostly sunny during the day. A high of 50, low of 39, so it does warm up. And Sunday is going to be a pretty good day as well. Highs about the 60s. Now, let's take a look at our 5-day forecast. We jump up 20 degrees, not quite so much of a drop that we had this weekend, but a big jump from 47 to 67 in our high on Tuesday. Now we've got those showers, then storms on Tuesday. Reverse that, on Wednesday we've got storms, then showers. 90% chance, so more than likely going to happen. Now look at that drop, 64 degrees down to 32 at the low. Thursday's high is 45, so we're back at the 40s. High of 39 on Friday and lows in the 20s. But again, beautiful weekend. Highs in the 50s and 60s, so it'll be feeling really nice once we start our march. See you next week.